Hey, you all know who it is. It's been a long time since I've done this, so I wanted to come back and do something that's trending a little bit right now. I am going to be taking apart my katana that I acquired for my birthday with nothing but a chopstick and a knife. Now, first things obvious, to disassemble your katana, you want to take off the sheath. Set that to the side. And then you got your blade. This blade I got for my 18th birthday. And don't worry, I already know what I'm doing because I've done this before. So it's okay. So yeah. Mine, the small parts are facing this way, so I'm gonna have to be hitting them this way. And don't worry, I know what I'm doing because I've done this before. Hang on, I gotta. There, now that they're like that, you got two little grooves that are higher than the others. You want to move them off so we can get our bamboo stubs out of here. There's the first one. There's the second one. Now the chopstick is done. We can set that to the side now. Here is where it gets fun. We gotta get the handle and the hand guard off. There's our handle. There's where the blade and oh, there's that part. I don't know what exactly this does, but it just goes on there. I think I'll just call it the, I think I'll just call it a cap. So yeah, here you got this part, goes underneath the handguard. You got the handguard itself. You got what goes on top of the handguard. And then, here, I'll try to do this. There we go. Just stick it right in the little groove there. She comes right on out. Also, I just gotta say, I am the storm that is approaching. I'm joking. I'm joking. Virgil is actually really cool, though. Well, we're all done. Here's the blade. Full tang. It's a real sword. Making this video for that, so that way people can understand that this is actually a real sword and not just some toy that I came up with 80 bucks. So now I'm gonna be reassembling it. And don't worry, I know what I'm doing with this too. So first is this bit. See, you gotta be careful when doing this one, because if you take it apart and forget, this part goes closest to the blade. It's a little misshapen and a little bit different from the rest of it. You're going to put it this way. On. And then you're going to want to get it nice and snug like that on there. Then you just do what you did with the other bar. You just slide these on here. Oh, that fell off. It's okay. Get that nice and snug on there. Get that nice and tight. Okay, now the holes are correct and running all the way through, so now we just do the opposite of what we did last time. We gotta move the little strings and stuff out here out of the way. And this part is a lot easier to get them back in than it is to get them out, because all you gotta do is move the string a little bit, and then just knock these back in here. Then even if you have to, you can drive them in a little deeper using the hammer. Guess that's what we'll call it, even though it's a knife. A knife is very useful in lots of scenarios. A knife can be your best friend. But if people use it wrong, it can be your worst nightmare. The sword is done. We disassembled it, put it back together. I guess we'll take this yard scrap here and just that'll do it for today's video.